Hello friends, in this video we are going to resolve the issue class magento app resource connection proxy does not exist. Okay, so let's start how we can solve this issue. First of all, we have to run the commands. Okay, first of all, let's go to the compile command. Let me go to the folder cd var www html visio groups visio groups cd code. Now I'm going to write the first command. File, then upgrade this command. Deploy. Into the permissions, and I think it should work. Now let's last step is just run the commands and let's see. Now see, the website will be opening at that moment. So this how we can resolve that issue. Now the website is fully on the way. So this how we can resolve this issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.